my dear students, welcome to your YouTube channel Physics Love. Myself Lalit Gautam, and today is a very special day because from today onwards we are going to start video lecture series of class 10th physics. First chapter we are going to study is electricity. So let's talk about the term electricity. As we all are familiar with the term electricity, we use electricity in our day-to-day life. In our homes, we use electricity for operating different kind of appliances like TV, refrigerator, washing machine, etc. Okay, so we are familiar with these all appliances, and these all appliances we operate with the help of the electricity. Now similarly, we use electricity in operating different kind of machines in industry. So in industry we use electricity for operating or to operate different kind of machines. And the God also plays with electricity in terms of lightning and thunderstorm. In lightning and thunderstorm, nature also plays with electricity. So these are the day-to-day phenomena in our daily life. Do we really know that what is electricity? Do we know from this word electricity came? What is the origin of this word electricity? So to understand the origin or the history about the word electricity, we have to go around 600 BC. So around 600 BC, in southern Eastern Europe, in southern Eastern Europe, there is a country named as Greece. In Greece, there is a palace known as Miletus. So in Greece, there is a palace known as Miletus. In Miletus, there was a great astronomer, mathematician, and philosopher. And Miletus is very famous due to his name. So there was a great astronomer, mathematician, and philosopher whose name is Thales of Miletus. We know that great personality by the name Thales of Miletus. Thales of Miletus was the first who found that when we rub amber substance, with woolen cloth, then this substance acquires a property of attracting light particles like dust particles, leaves, feathers, etc. So when we rub amber substance with woolen cloth, then this substance acquire a property of attracting light particles. Now most of the people or most of the students are very curious to understand or to know about the substance amber. What is amber? So I want to tell you that amber is a yellow color. Amber is a yellow color, or we can say yellowish, resinous yellowish, resinous, sticky substance. Yellowish, resinous, sticky substance which is found at the shore of Baltic Sea. At the shore of Baltic Sea, this substance, yellowish resinous substance, sticky substance is found, which is known as amber. In the ancient time, the people use the amber substance to collect the dust particles in their room. They place amber substance in their room and the dust particles inside their room get stick to the substance amber. So it is also the use of amber substance. In ancient time, when the people or the person found that the amber substance have the property of attraction the light particles, then they call this property of attraction as frictional electricity. So in ancient time, this property of attraction was known as frictional electricity. So in ancient time, electricity means the property of attraction of light particles. Okay? So after doing so many experiments for many years, the scientists found that this kind of substance also have one more great property, and that great property is to produce electrical effects. I will explain how to produce electrical effect by using this kind of substance, but first we know the origin of word electricity. So in Greek word we call amber, as the Greek name of the amber is electron, electron. It is not C, it is K, electron. So in Greek word or Greek name, we call amber as electron, and this electron is the origin of number of words like electron, electric charge, electricity, electrostats, electric potential. So there are many words, but the origin of all the words is the Greek word, that is amber. This amber, the Greek name of amber is electron. So this electron is the origin of all such kind of words. So this is the history or the introduction about the term electricity. I hope you understand the introduction of electricity. Now in the next video lecture we are going to discuss how this property of attraction or such kind of substances can produce electrical effects. So in next video lecture we are going to understand about the electric charge, electric current, and the formula of electric current, SI unit of electric current, okay, and do some one or more numericals about the electric current. So to complete your physics course of class 10th, like, share and subscribe our channel Physics Love, and press the notification bell to get the notification about the new video lectures and the live streaming lectures. Okay, and for the notes and the timetable for live classes, you should subscribe or follow me on Telegram @ Lalit Gautam PGT. Thank you very much. Namaskar.